possible best to create a nice background for your project. So I think this is okay. So I think this is okay. So now left with these writings. So this is how we will do it. We will go to firstly we have to create this ellipse over here. It's being an ellipse with only a stroke. So create an ellipse using a yellow color. Try and increase the size. So let's say 30 is okay. Then you draw your circle or you draw your ellipse over there. So 30 is small. So I think around 81 is okay. So right now we are trying to increase. So try and increase the size of it. Try and increase the size of it. So you see how it is. This we see the background at the back. So what you do is that um using your opacity, then you turn it down a little bit. I think this is okay. So level with these shapes over here. So let's try and create these shapes. Using our same ellipse, but for that one to we turn off the stroke, then we switch on the fill. So so you hit Ctrl J to duplicate it. So let's lock our background so that Ctrl J to duplicate it. So then we create this one to the white ones also. So that one too you hit on shift. No, it's not what I'm trying to use. So that one too you hit on the shift to draw it perfectly. Let's change the color to white. Okay.